Hey, what's going on, guys? This time of year we don't really have much going on, and we burn a lot of wood, and did some research and discovered that you're not really supposed to tarp your wood, which is what I was doing up until now. So after doing some video watching and checking out some designs of other people's firewood shacks, we discovered you need to get airflow. So this is what we came up with for now, and not really a professional carpenter, don't have a lot of experience with building, but think it came out pretty good. Hope you enjoy. Gotta dig. Hold on out.
Alright, we've marked off where the corners are gonna go. Digging the hole for the posts now. We got the laser out to get it all level. So we've ran into a bit of an issue. Our measured post hole is exactly on the root of our birdhouse stump. So, I mean, we tried doing it with the axe. It's quite a few roots. We're just gonna poke it out. We've measured where the hole was. We're just gonna rip it out. Oh yeah, lots and lots of roots. That'd have taken us a while. So we've got the 4 posts in, and after some remeasuring and leveling of them, we got these sides.
Well, this one's gonna get a little, because that's where that root was. So this one's been a problem since the start. So we're just gonna minor alter its bottom direction, because the top is fine. Just a hair.
1.5 inches exact.
Well, yeah, but we're gonna just shift the bottom, because you would have had to dig it anyways.
So we gotta shift the bottom, gotta push that way, about 1 inch.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hang the board.
So we got the back board up. About to take the front one, put the front one up, and we'll work on the roof and the joists. You said joists?
Yeah, well, yeah, because they're not really trusses, I guess.
Alright, so joists, and then the roof, and then I think we'll come up with something for the side. Not sure what we're gonna do. Alright, we got the front. Whew, a little out of breath. We got the front board up. It's all nice and square. Got it leveled out too. Just taking the small chainsaw, chopping off the excess on the ends so that it's all neat and uniform.
The post.
The posts?
Top of the post on an angle so they match the angle.
Oh, got it. Well, we did chop the ends off on that end. You can see a little bit.
It's not perfect, but it's perfect for firewood.
It's perfect for what we need it for. Got the dog. You want me to throw your stick? Drop it. Good boy. Alright, so we're not going to finish the roof today. Those aren't even screwed in, those are just sitting there. I've already stacked a little bit of wood. Took this plant, put it there. Took a rock from the other side of our yard, put it there. We got another plant behind it. Just trying to make it look aesthetically pleasing until we get it all finished. That's about it.
I don't know how many fucking, what do you call it? Now that we've screwed all the, I guess, joists on, we'll put the plywood on next, and then the tin roof.
So, we got a 3/4 inch plywood up. We have two pieces. They're 4x8s. We need to go get some smaller screws right now. Just got those up. Those are not fastened there. They're just sitting there. And then we have another 3/4 inch 4x8 piece that we're gonna have to cut to put up there. We had them going this way, but the seams were hanging like in between the joists, so we had to go the long way. And that's basically where we're at now. So we got the proper screws, and we've got this first board all screwed up. Got this backboard screwed up, almost just doing the last edge. Got him up there. You good? Yeah. Oh, he's coming down. And it is turning out quite well. We're gonna go get the last piece of the 3/4 inch 4x8 plywood. We're gonna hang it off.
We could have did 1/2 inch, but
yeah,
I already had the.
Yeah, we already had the two pieces of 3/4.
So use what you got.
Yeah, we wanted to be even. We'll
the board's really bent too.
Yeah, it's bowed, but we're just gonna trim it. It's flush down there. It comes out a bit more here. The seam is all good in the middle.
Come bowed out of the stack, you know. How many times you keep going through the stack at like Lowe's or Home Depot, and it's just not the best wood.
Yeah.
Thank you.